Yeah, I'm back. Just before we begin, I took apart the tool set. So we've got some sort of plastic fork. This one, I mean, there's an assortment of screwdrivers. I hope they are magnetic. And a little clip that you'll see. If you ever look at how to take apart your iPod, anything like that, you'll see a tool like this. But I wanted to read the instructions that came with it because it just reminded me of a lost in translation or poorly translated piece. So when you buy a replacement screen, the tool set, you get this letter. My dear friend, thank you for your order. Here include a universal gift tool set which may help repairing your console. Please note, the tool set is we self-made, which applies to most phones, iPods, iPads, and perhaps not so perfectly fits for your specific console. It's not as well as your professional tool, but cheaper and convenient. If you find the tool a little bit way bigger, smaller, please understand that we only want to do for your conveniences and may save your money and time on the repairing. If you have any questions, please contact us and we'll respond soon. Please don't leave negative, neutral, low DSR for the gift tool. Thank you in advance. Regards, www.muchbuy.com. And you know what? It was nice of them to include the toolkit, and it was kind of cute that they wrote this letter. So, DSR, muchbuy.com, no negative, neutral, or low DSR. I am very thankful, and we'll see if the piece fits.